Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to change your primary email account in Outlook. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Microsoft Outlook app and log into your account. Once you're logged in, wait for your emails to load completely so you can access all the necessary settings and features. Now that your email has loaded, it's time to navigate to the settings where you can manage your accounts. Direct your attention to the top part of your screen where all your menus and tools are located. Look for the File tab and click on it. This tab gives you access to various account and application settings that aren't available from the main inbox view. Once your File menu opens, look at the right side of the menu. You'll see an Account Settings drop-down option displayed there. Click on this drop-down to reveal additional account management options. From the options that appear, you'll notice Account Settings listed again. Go ahead and click on it. This will open a new Account Settings window where you can manage all the email accounts connected to your Outlook application. In the Account Settings window that appears, you'll see several tabs at the top. Start by clicking on the Email tab if it's not already selected. This tab displays all the email accounts currently associated with your Outlook app and allows you to modify their settings and priorities. Now, here's where you actually change which email account is set as your primary. Look at the list of email accounts displayed in front of you. Each account linked to your Outlook will be listed here. Simply select the email account you wish to set as your primary by clicking on it once to highlight it. Once you've selected the correct account, look at the header section of the Email tab. You'll see a button labeled Set as Default. Click on this button and Outlook will immediately designate your selected email as the primary account. This means that when you compose new emails, this account will be used by default unless you manually choose a different one. And that's it. You've successfully changed your primary email account in Outlook, giving you better control over which account you send from most frequently. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.